guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to take a walk in nature. So yeah, but basically I want to show you a tree me and my friend planted a few probably a few months ago. Look at it. I'm so excited, but yeah, we're just gonna take a walk in nature. It's really beautiful. It's a really nice day out. It rained. Oh, flip! It's starting to rain again. We just did it for a second. It rained just for a second. It's starting to drizzle just a little bit. So yeah, it's definitely gonna start raining again. But yeah. But yesterday, I posted a video. Well, I think I posted it. I don't know if I posted it yet. Yeah, I did. It was a video about how I got 8 subscribers, and I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much for helping me out and giving me such support and kindness. Right now I'm just about to grab my meal. Do I have any meal? I do. I'm gonna just go put this. Look at my dog.